Welcome to the next video. I know the last video was kind of short, but it was just telling you why you needed an internet marketing schedule. This video is going to tell you some types of internet marketing schedules you should consider making, the type of schedules you need, and at the end of the module, I'm actually going to provide you with a couple of templates to help your online marketing schedule. So let's get started. One calendar you're going to need is an editorial calendar. This type of calendar helps you plan your content like blog posts, social media, and other campaigns. It's exclusive for your content. Personally, I use Trello. I love Trello. For my editorial calendar, I like its ease of use. I like the fact that I can access it on any computer, on my phone, on my tablet, so it's, as you can see, very easily accessible. Not to mention, I can edit it to use the colors and pictures that inspire me or that go hand in hand with my brand. I also have my assistant connected to my boards, which does allow an ease of management. She can complete her tasks in a timely manner, and I don't have to stop her to have a meeting, so that saves me time. Another good calendar that would help with your marketing is a simple marketing calendar. This calendar can be put together quickly for those small marketing plans you have in the work. The simple marketing calendar is a monthly calendar with some extra space to highlight some important events, tasks, and deadlines. Super simple calendar, really easy to use. I just recommend it for your smaller marketing needs. The last calendar I'm going to tell you about is the marketing campaign calendar, which is designed to help you organize your content around multiple campaigns. This type of calendar gives you an overview of all of the media distribution channels. It can also show you which items have been published or completed for each campaign. So basically, this lesson is, finding the right marketing calendar is important to help you streamline your online marketing process. In upcoming classes, well, basically depending on when you're watching this video, so the classes might be out already, but anyway, I will teach you how to design your own marketing calendar template. With pre-built templates, you can reuse the same process for every new campaign you have. Doing this is going to provide you with kind of a history of your past efforts and let you know what's working and what's not. And now in the next lesson, we're going to discuss time management and how it can impact your online business management. So just think about what kind of marketing calendar you feel that best suits your needs. And in future lessons, like I said, I'm going to show you how to make your own calendar. Other than that, I'm going to give you samples of the calendars and you could use which one. If not all three, you could actually use all three. So think about it. Look at the calendars that I do give you and start on your marketing calendar, because with these lessons, I want you to be working and not waiting for the end to do them. So working while we're doing the lessons. So that's your homework for today. Think about which marketing calendar you need. If you need all three, think about how you're going to use it. And look at the marketing calendar templates that I'm going to give you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.